showing some basic tools for diesel technology. So in the top here, clearly I have all my sockets. They're all labeled, separated by metrics and by standard over here. I have some short weld right here. I got my deep weld, and I also have them separated by 12 points, as well as the 6 points right here too. I also have my little impact D-weld 12 volt max. Right here, I have some dial indicators. I also have some extensions and as well as some star bits. Right here, I have all my standard wrenches right here. Clearly, opening on this end, boxing on the other. Standard basic material. Also, I have a few line wrenches as well. Put those on a line so that it doesn't slip off. So that's kind of like a closed end while it's on a line so that you can get to it. Down here, also have my metric wrenches as well as some metric line wrenches. Here I have screwdrivers of all sorts and sizes. We have big flatheads. We got some little Phillips heads. All different sizes, as you can see. Clearly, I have little clips on them, keep them with you. Smaller little projects. Also over here, we have some nut drivers, 6 points, so that they can go onto nuts and you can screw them on that way. Sort of the same thing that a screwdriver will do. We also have a screwdriver right here that you can put on different tips on the end to change them out. Right here we also have a scraper. Scrape off stickers or anything that will be stuck on there, a little grime, clean up the area some. Down here I have my bags, my battery charger for my drill. It's very sharp, don't play with it too much. I have some rubber gloves. I also have a screw extractor kit. Use these in case you get screw stuck. You can drill these in and you can drill it back out. Go back up top here. We have all of my different ratchets right here. All different sizes. Got my little speed handle ratchet right here too. This top part spins, so that whenever you're twisting it up, it goes around, works that way. We also have some flexible sockets here too, along with some more extensions. Down here we have some impact sockets. Use them for more heavy duty equipment, things of that nature, because they're stronger, more durable, less likely to break. We have some pliers. I got some wire cutters right here. Clip them. We also have some needle nose. We have some crescent wrenches right here. Adjustable wrenches. We also have some external pliers, along with some internal pliers. We got spark plug pliers right here too. And we have some snap ring pliers too. Here we have the torque wrench. Use this to tighten up bolts to a certain pressure, certain pounds. I also have a magnet. If anything gets dropped inside the motor, just extend it out. It has a flexible head on the end where I can move it around, pick stuff up that my hand can't reach. Down here, I have rubber mallet. It's used for things that a hammer might damage, softer things. We also have really big hammers for your big mistakes. We also have smaller hammers as well. Also have a wire brush in here. Got to scrape stuff up if there's rust or anything like that you have to clean off. This is a helpful thing to know. We also have our little taps here. And we have taps and chisels right here. Very useful. Hit it with a hammer. It'll hammer down into things. Same thing with right here. You can take it when you hammer it, it'll scrape off stuff. Different sizes, depending on the task. You know, all different sizes here. That is a basic setup for diesel technology.